Oh my god. Ah! Woo! Yeah! What? No, yours was way bigger, dude. It was way bigger. That thing was massive. Oh! Shit! Fuck. Oh! What the fuck? Tyler flew back from Hawaii and was on a mission to hit Mavericks. You. Getting the car loaded up. Alright, so we gotta fix up Tyler's Jaws surfboard damage. Oh, dude, that thing's so sick. It looks like a drone. Oh. So I need to putty the bottom of it. That gnarliness. Oh, that's so no, sick. Don't use your finger. It doesn't come off. It's like the worst stuff to get on your finger ever. Dude. Yeah, so let's see. You got it. Wait. See, it's like sticking to the... Oh, it's like,
starting to dry?
Like finishing. Yeah, it's just starting here. Okay, no, it's still working. Oh yeah, we're good. It's good, it's good. Soft darts. And then the idea is that we can come over with the fiberglass and bring it together. You. Huh. So sick. Is it for surfboards or just like? No, just epoxy stuff. Not designed for surfboards specifically. When you push it in with my finger. No, like this. You can mold it, yeah, but. Yeah, I'm good. Is it sticking to you? No? Nah. I mean, I already got it on my finger. Oh, yeah. Sir. You. Oh, this is the spot that
it's raining.
It's raining.
Oh, I'm inside.
Who's that?
Andrew. Oh, like that's like the same stuff.
What?
On the surfboard. Yes, as long I was just gonna show back here. This works too.
I mean, that was what I was gonna recommend, but it's such a big part of your board, dude. It's like this is like, what, an inch and a half maybe?
Yeah, and it goes.
And this board's already like super short.
Yeah.
We're in good shape. That's what we want right there.
It is, yeah.
I want this to mold down. More. Oh yeah, that stuff is sticky, bro. It doesn't come off.
I made it. Holy shit.
You?
I'm so glad I woke up. I was like half awake talking to you, dude, thinking this wasn't gonna be a good idea. And then I finally woke up and was like, what the hell was I thinking, dude? When I first woke up, I was like, oh, what I do?
Then once I got psyched.
What's up, Isaiah? How you doing?
Dude, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing good, man.
It's,
Trying to fix Tyler's board.
life is good right now.
About to ski. So let's check this baby out.
Yeah.
Sheesh, no water in there and it's raining.
Yeah, Tyler's pretty fouled up. I don't know what to say.
Got this super nice sled. It's totally not broken. It's for sale.
Oh, dude.
I'll accept $400. $400, yeah. Maybe $350. Super nice. So small dinger here. It's alright. Ski takes $7 grand.
I'm so stoked.
And then $500 for the cart.
Yeah.
Hit me up.
Unbelievably destroyed. Like a vibe.
Oh, the razor blade is still in there.
Oh, nice. Good.
Oh, it's already hardening, bro.
Yeah, it's 25-minute cure time. Here, so what I'm gonna do now, Tyler, is watch out. So then you get a razor blade and you can cut the excess off to the right form.
Oh.
Before it like completely cures, so it's a lot easier to work with.
I see.
See, now I can like actually maintain like that same shape of your board, if it works. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer actually, because it's still like it's coming apart a little bit.
Yeah.
You want it to be a little bit.
Oh, it's cold water loud. It's the stuff.
Well, yeah. It's definitely strong stuff.
World's strongest bond. Bet.
All right, waiting for it to clear. Surfboard is coming along. Pretty good. We got the board fixed up and ready to go, and ready to go. First time Tyler driving us to Mavs. Let's see how he does. On the way to Mavericks, I was just sleeping in the car, but there was numerous times that Tyler reacted because he was hydroplaning on the road because of the rain. As you can see in this clip, there's just puddles everywhere, road closures everywhere. Took us a long time to get up there. Yeah, buddy.
Then turn left. Turn right. Then turn right on East 10th Street. Turn right.
Thank you so much. Let's go. Yeah.
Isaiah finishing up the repair job.
I think the CO2 camera. Back is weird.
Solo Mavericks session.
Alright.
Waiting for tomorrow.
Isaiah, you want to grab that?
Hopefully it'll be good.
Good.
Already.
So you don't want to like get too like impatient and cheat for the smaller one, and then
That's
have
gonna be
bomb.
bad.
Yeah, it's fun. Me and Tyler paddled out in the evening and ended up being the only ones that paddled out. Tyler was able to sneak into one of probably 5 waves that came through. We were able to barely avoid getting caught on the inside of a few set waves.
All right, go.
Ready? That was fast. Now I can't breathe.
Yeah, you're ready.
Now I can't breathe. Catch 22.
Pressure in the first one.
Maybe because there's a little bit of
Taco Bell
Tyler, it's because there's a little residual air in there.
So many Taco Bell burritos, like 10 of them.
Good right here.
Oh yeah.
Trent, you're coming to Portugal with us.
What's up?
Oh,
Do some squats.
the fuck?
Anything to say?
I don't feel like going over the shot. Let me see. Let me see.
Bro, why?
Look.
Why? Tyler.
Yeah.
Yep, that's me. About to go over the falls. I was able to dive under that wave, and then the next wave that I caught was a party wave with Augenstein. How was your latest one, dude?
Bro, my first one was really good. It was sad. It was like super steep. I don't really know what happened. I just like looked up. I thought the lip was gonna land on me. And my board like slowed down, launched forward and like skipped. And when I was under, I was trying to like pull my vest.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
That was sick.